So here, one of my tips for updating furniture and the vanity is to swap out the knobs. Because knobs, I think, can look really old and grubby.
And dated, yeah.
And dated, but they can also be really expensive. You can spend $20 on a knob, which is like insanity
Even
to
at
me.
like fashion stores, right?
It's
you see
crazy.
racks and racks of this stuff.
Yeah.
You make them out of crystal and all this fancy.
No, we're spending $1 a knob, and that is a stretch. So,
all right.
So these, I don't think they look particularly great as is. These are simple wooden knobs we got from the hardware store.
Cheap and cheerful.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
But we're giving them a really fun graphic makeover. So we taped off one corner, and then you'll see what happens when that comes off. So you
have a two-tone, right?
Two-tone. So then for here, why don't you help me?
Okay.
Tape off a second line, and you can do it as skinny or as thick as you want.
All right.
And then you want to make sure that that edge is sealed in place so that you get a nice crisp line.
So you get
and then, here, you go first. You're just going to tape over, and that's what's going to leave us with that graphic pattern. And again, you can use any colors. You could tape off as many different times as you wanted.
Right.
Do the whole thing.
What do you mean?
Here.
I am remedial at this.
No,
Don't laugh at me.
We got it.
I'm trying.
There was no laughter here.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see. I
then,
get it now. I get it.
And then you'll let that dry. And when you take the tape off, that what leaves that really fun graphic pattern.
I get
See
it.
where we're going?
I am so DIY challenged, but Charlotte makes me feel like there's hope. Like that there's hope for people like me. You're awesome. Come back anytime.
I love coming back.